Hey, what's up everybody? Now, before you go any further, I just need a minute of your time. It's not a sales pitch or anything like that, get rich quick scheme or anything, all the stuff you see online. It's just, I don't know, I wanted to say thank you to everyone watching this, because especially, I don't know, in the past few months I've noticed some of the same people keep coming back to the channel and keep commenting, leaving comments on the videos and everything, and I want you to know I really appreciate that, because I don't know, when I started uploading videos and everything online, I don't know, I was just doing it because I enjoy watching them myself, to be honest. I enjoy watching like moto vlogs and everything else, like people on bikes. I love bikes, and I thought, you know what, as soon as I'm gonna get a bike, I'm gonna start doing this, because I don't know, after a year or two, people tend to forget things, and this way, I don't know, whenever I'm bored or anything, or I don't know, late at night, got nothing to watch. Thank you. So yeah, late at night, got nothing to watch, I just go on YouTube, watch a few things, then when I get bored, I might go back and watch one of my videos just to remember what I was up to. It's fun. And plus, seeing that other people appreciate it as well and come online and comment and everything, I don't know, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for subscribing and everything. I think I'm at over 600 people now, which I never thought I'd get to. Now I know other people have like 80 million, like PewDiePie and everything else, or 1 million or 100,000 or whatnot, but even 600 for me is a lot, man. Because again, I keep seeing the same people coming back and commenting on the video, so yeah, thumbs up, I appreciate it. Thank you to everyone. And I'm not going to name anyone, because I'm definitely going to forget someone, and I don't want to offend anyone. Tano! Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, thank you. Number two thing that I want to address before I get into the video on what broke with the bike and everything, because some people have been commenting and asking me on that as well. So the number two thing is, I get, well, the most common comment that I get on my videos is, mate, your bike is so freaking dirty. Why do you never wash it? Now, I washed it on Sunday, this past Sunday, so not even a week ago, and here's an image of it, like proof. And who knows me personally watching this knows that I went to wash the bike. Now, today is Friday, I just finished work, and this is what it looks like now. So I just took the video before I picked the bike up, just to show you what the bike looks like after 5 days of commuting on it. And the thing is, I cannot be bothered to wash it every single week. I just can't be bothered to do that. If I don't do it myself, it's costing me money. If I do it myself, it's costing me time. And honestly, I don't have the time to do that every single weekend. But yeah, that being said, let's get into the video and the reason why you clicked on the thumbnail and everything. Thank you once again to everyone. I usually say this at the end, but I thought, you know what, at the beginning people are actually going to listen to it. I really appreciate everyone that's watching this. As you may know, I had this issue with the bike. It broke down on me. It turns out it was the flywheel. So the screws inside the flywheel, because you know the flywheel I think is turning around the stator, I think. I'm not a mechanic, so bear with me on this. So yeah, the flywheel is the moving part around the stator. Some of the screws inside of it I think came loose or undone or something happened to them, but they were rubbing against the stator, they sheared off. That caused the damage to the stator, which also caused damage to, I think it's called the rectifier, which is the one that transforms the power from AC to DC. Mechanics might know more than me on this. Which then ultimately caused the battery to go wrong as well, so that died too, that had to be replaced as well. Now, it was all changed under warranty by Yamaha. They've changed everything. By opening the bike up and everything, they had to change the oil in it as well and the filter, so that would have been extra money if I would have had to do that. So cost-wise, I think I would have looked at 500 to 600 pounds in parts. That's 700 euros. I don't know what the exchange rate is now, I'm just assuming. And also about $900 US dollars if you're in the US watching this, I'm assuming, again. Then labor-wise, so the amount of hours people would have had to put in it to fix the bike, that would have been another 400 to 500 pounds. So I was looking at over £1,000 to fix it. Now this is all unofficial, they never confirmed any prices or costs or how much it would have been. But I just went online and looked at some of the parts that had to be changed, and it works out at over £500 to change everything. So that's quite a lot of money. So let's say £1,000 to fix it. I paid another £120 to get the bike towed from where it broke down all the way to the shop. And that's about it. That's the whole cost of it. Now in my previous video I've said, if you're out to buy a bike, my advice would be buy a new one, because you get some warranty on it that covers you for a couple of years. I mean, this was a new bike. I bought this bike new and it still broke down, it still had issues. And my example was, if you were to buy an S1000RR for, I don't know, 8 grand, it breaks down, you have the same issue that I had. Now, if you ask me, it wouldn't cost you over £1,000, it would probably cost you over £2,000 to £3,000 to get it fixed. I'm just saying. So yeah, my advice is, I'm still going to maintain this fact, is, I don't know, buy a new bike, spend the same amount of money, buy a smaller bike, or I don't know, but buy a new bike rather than buying a super nice, expensive second-hand one that ultimately is going to cost you more money if it breaks down, and bikes do tend to break down. So those are my 2 cents on the whole thing. I'm going to put in an image, so the guys at the shop sent me an image as well of what went wrong, not what went wrong, but what the bike looked like, what the engine looked like when it was all opened up. So I'm going to pop it in at some point right now so you can have a look. I'm going to zoom in a bit as well. What's this guy doing? Are you vlogging, man? You want to be in my video? Can I be in your vlog, man? Yeah? You want to be in mine? Wicked. Anyway, what was I saying before I got rudely distracted and interrupted by the guy? Buy a new bike, you've got the warranty on it and everything else, so that's my piece of advice. Ride safe, ride easy. Don't do anything stupid. Stay safe out there. And enjoy life, man. If you've got a bike, ride as much as you can, because it's good fun. Just take it easy. Can I be in the picture too? Can you take a picture of me? So yeah, that being said, that's all the damage that happened to the bike. Make sure you ride safe, guys. Hello. And peace out. Thanks for watching. Oh yes, subscribe and like, please. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
I know from the mere size and capability of your vehicle and the way you've dragged it coming down here, you are more than likely in excess of 30 miles an hour. Certainly the way you come around the outside of traffic, okay? Thankfully and luckily for you, you weren't caught in the gun, all right? Okay. But I'm going to stop and speak to you, because this kind of behaviour, this kind of riding, is a danger to you and it's a danger to everyone else, okay?